Live better and longer with the Fitzness Show, hosted by fitness expert, author, and TV personality Fitz Koehler. She'll tell you why diets are dumb, supplements are snake oil, and the truth about how you can earn a lean, hard, pain-free, and athletic body. Now for our favorite bossy blonde, Fitz Koehler.
It's a little poke in the chest. Well, hi, team. I'm Fitz Koehler, your spicy hot fitness pro from fitzness.com. And welcome to the Fitzness Show. This episode is just a poke, a teeny tiny poke in the chest to get you to do better and be better. And this might be the most delicious episode we've ever had because I am going to give you a recipe for buffalo cauliflower. Oh, so good, so delicious, so low in fat and calories. You are going to burst with satisfaction when you make it and you eat it. So here's the deal. I'm a vegetarian. Shh, don't tell anybody. You know what? I used to not tell folks I was a vegetarian because what I thought was that folks would think, oh, she's a fitness expert. She's a vegetarian. She must be radical. So I won't listen to any of her advice. I don't think that's true anymore. I used to think that you would think that, but I don't think you think that. I mean, go ahead and eat the meat you want to eat. I don't eat meat because I really love animals. I have friends that are cows. I have friends that are chicken. I just can't do it anymore, so I don't. But you do you. Having said that, I grew up eating buffalo wings. I mean, I probably ate 40 million buffalo wings as a teenager. My best friend, Christy, and I, we would walk from our house down this main road to a little restaurant called Roosters. And Roosters won the Fort Lauderdale Wing Ding every year. You want me to feel like a real redneck right now? I'm going to tell you about the Wing Ding. And Roosters used to win it. But Christy and I would go there and we'd get a 50-piece buffalo wing, I think mild or medium. And then we'd get curly fries, a big bag of curly fries. Oh my gosh, they were so fried. And I say a bag of curly fries because they weren't serving them in a basket. They would give you a brown bag, like a grocery bag, full of curly fries, and it was so oily that the bag would just rip on your table. But yeah, we would eat the wings, and then we'd eat the curly fries, and then, get this, we would walk next door, and we would get a roll of cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough, and then we would eat that raw. I mean, I was an overweight teenager. You can't be surprised after hearing what I just told you that I had some extra weight on me. It's funny, people look at me and they go, oh, you don't, because I'm 40 pounds lighter than I was at the end of my senior year and in my freshman year of college. And people look and they go, well, you don't have 40 pounds to lose. And I go, duh, because I've already lost the 40 pounds. But yeah, reckless eating habits. But going back to the buffalo wings, I freaking love the flavor of buffalo wing sauce. I just love it. And so for many years, my satisfaction had to come from dipping carrots and celery in the wing sauce while everybody ate the chicken wings. And that's fine, man. Don't cry for me, Argentina. That's how I could get wing sauce. And I'm sure I probably dipped crackers or something like that into the wing sauce. But I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, I tried buffalo cauliflower, never heard of that, and instantly fell in love. Now, here's the deal. Just because it's cauliflower doesn't mean it's healthy. Most restaurants serve it deep fried. And I really like it when you can tell there's cauliflower there. Sometimes like Buffalo Wild Wings, cool restaurant, great beer. Their buffalo cauliflower just tastes kind of like a poof of fried, whatever that is, right? Imagine if you had made an onion ring and you pulled out the onion and you just had the fried shell. That's kind of what I get from Buffalo Wild Wings, buffalo cauliflower. So that's not my favorite. There's a couple of other places I really enjoy. California Pizza Kitchen makes some good ones, but they're not super healthy. I have a recipe for you so you can have actual healthy, actually delicious buffalo cauliflower. And I shit you not, I'm there's no fat in this freaking recipe. I don't know how we decided to make it. Okay, I'm lying. I didn't decide anything. My daughter Ginger she's home from college. She's living here, and part of her contribution is cooking. And so she made buffalo cauliflower recently, and it's fantastic. And so I thought she was frying it. I didn't give too much thought about it. She made it, and it's vegetarian. I thought, I'll eat it. And it was so good. And I said, Ginger, how did you make this? And she told me, and I've scoured the ingredients, and there's no fat in any of it, and there's barely any calories. So get a pen, get a paper, write some notes in your cell phone. It's a really simple, stupid, easy to make recipe, but it's so freaking good. So I'm going to tell you, it is get a head of cauliflower, or you can get it all, if it's not in the head form, don't get the frozen cauliflower, get fresh cauliflower and then break it up into little pieces. And then you're going to make a mixture. It depends on how much cauliflower you're making, but Ginger typically does half a cup of flour. That's just white flour. And then half a cup of water. So equal parts flour and water. And then she dumps in a whole bunch of seasonings. She uses garlic, onion, salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne. And she says go ham on those things. So season to your delight. So you mix all that stuff together in a bowl, and then you start adding the cauliflower, just the raw cauliflower. You mix it up in that batter. So after all the cauliflower is coated in the batter, you put it on a nonstick pan, and then you put it in the oven on air fry or bake. She says about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. So 400 degrees, whether you're air frying or baking, put it in there 15 minutes. And then when it comes out, she says, brush it, get a brush and brush it with buffalo wing sauce. We really like Frank's buffalo wing sauce. You know Frank. Everybody loves Frank. He has great wing sauce. You get a little bottle at the grocery store. It's just a few bucks a bottle. It's very inexpensive, but it's delicious. I love it. And then once you've coated it with the wing sauce, you put it back on the pan and shove it back in the oven, same temperature for another 15 minutes. And then you bring it out. And if you would like, you can add some more wing sauce. Other than that, you just freaking eat it. Now, the cauliflower, the calories in a cup of cauliflower, there are 27 calories in an entire cup of cauliflower. And cauliflower is bursting with fiber, which is very satisfying. So if you want to feel full, if you want to feel satiety, cauliflower will do it because of the fiber. It's also rich with vitamin K, vitamin C, B6, and folate. So a highly nutritious choice in general. Then again, zero fat, 27 calories per cup. So you could have, 4 whole cups of buffalo cauliflower if you like. And then you look on the back of the jar of Frank's buffalo wing sauce, there's 0 calories. 0. Does this fit into your exact formula for weight loss perfectly? Hell yeah, it does. And be warned, if you have 4 cups of cauliflower, you are going to be stuffed for the next 3 days. I mean, hardcore fiber, hardcore filling, but also hardcore delicious. It's so yummy. And I hope you make it. I hope you take photos. And then I hope you post it on Instagram or Facebook and tag me. And then you could tag Ginger too. And, tell us what you think. But I love it. And if you don't love cauliflower and you do eat meat, well, sure, you can do the same coating on grilled chicken. Why not? I would coat those chicken tenders or chicken bites. I would cut them up small and then coat them with Ginger's flour, water, spice concoction. But absolutely delicious. She's made it 3 times already, and it's gotten better every time. So I'm very excited about this recipe. The Koehler clan will be consuming excessive amounts of buffalo cauliflower in the near future, and I hope you do too. Folks, if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe wherever you listen to the Fitzness Show. That way, when I come on and make happy noise and start bossing you around, maybe sharing awesome recipes, you'll get notification to tune in. And then also, if you haven't done so yet, buy the book. It's You, Supercharged. All the solutions are in it. And golly, I think it's New Year's. It's about time you invest. It's $25 for a paperback. You can't go wrong. Again, all the answers are in this book. I love you. Enjoy the cauliflower. Get to work. Bye, team. Mwah! Ho, ho, holy cow. The holidays are upon us and it's time to go shopping. That's right. If you are looking for a meaningful and affordable gift to give to all of your friends and family, stop by fitzness.com. Right now, we're running a special on fitzness.com. It's order 4 books, get 1 free. And you can do that in like 7, 8, 10 sets of that, depending on how many friends and family members you have. Yeah, spend 20 something bucks on a book and upgrade your friends' lives forever. Help them look, feel, and perform better forever. Sounds like a generous gift to me. So go shopping at fitzness.com. No matter how many books you order, they all will come signed. They all will come with their special little Fitzy gift, and they will all be packaged with love. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Festivus for the rest of us.